Sasha!
What?
Sash!
What?
Where's the Quetscher?
What?
The Quetscher, the remote!
What?
Cholera! Okay, I need to change the channel. Push the button, I don't know it's channel plus, what is this over here?
I don't even know how to get off this.
I don't know how to get off this, for sure I don't know how to get off this. You are the one that's the computer person. Oh, I am on the internet, Facebook, Schmacebook. Change the channel, put on channel 7.
I can't.
Put on 7, ABC, the soccer game is on.
I'll try.
Did you know soccer was invented in 1627
How did you
by
know that?
Shmuel Rothstein? He was Jewish. You're not going to see that anywhere in the history books. They're going to tell you, oh, it was
Mom!
Shmokolovich O'Connor or something. Shmuel Rothstein. He invented soccer. So, if anybody ever asks, just say, I'm going to tell you, Shmuel Rothstein, a Jew, invented soccer. Okay? Put on the game.
Oh,
I can't put on the game. I don't know what this
I
is.
can't.
40 years I'm trying to put on the game. I cannot use this Quetscher. It's like a freaking computer over here. I can't put on the game for 40 years. Robbie, go change the channel. I can't get up. I cannot get up. Robbie, go change the channel. Robbie. Hello, Rob, wake up. Hello, I know, it's 3 in the morning. Okay, put on the TV. Anyone? Hello, anyone? Hello? I'm sitting here in the dark again. I've been sitting here for 40 years. I can't even change the channel. This is like Moses. I feel like freaking Moses in the freaking desert. Did you know in the movie, The 10 Commandments, did you know Charlton Heston? I bet you didn't know this. Charlton Heston.
Yeah.
He had on a Rolex in the movie.
Ow.
They didn't even know. They filmed it. They played it in the movie theater with the Rolex on. And it's in the movie. Channel 7. Channel 7. It's like Moses in the desert. Channel 7. Channel 7. Channel 7. Oh my goodness. I can't put on the roast, the game.
Don't worry, you can survive.
40 years.
Oh God.
I'm roaming through the desert for 40 years, trying to change the remote control.
It's a desert television.
I can't make it. I'm roaming around. I can't even stand anymore. I need a tea. Sasha, make me a tea. Sasha! 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 Yes, so crawl! Knee surgery. Yes, yes. Your knees are replaced. So now you're a bionic woman. You can't get up yet. Okay, so crawl. Crawl. Crawl to the sink. Make me a tea and change the channel to channel 7. I'm roaming around for 40 years already. And don't stop at the stop sign in the kitchen. Oh, that's it. Yes, you up? Okay. Make me get one of you wild rolls with jelly and cream cheese. I found these in the desert. Okay, cream cheese, jelly, you wild rolls, and then put on channel 7. Okay? Yes. Crawl faster. This nephew of mine. Cholera, get away. Cholera.